Jeremy, today we're doing slime sea creatures. Are you ready?
Yes.
We have all our sea creatures here, and we have our big slime, yellow slime. So let's put our sea creatures inside. First up, what do we have? First up, we have a manta ray. Let's see. Next up, we have a baby jellyfish. Next, we have a frog going in our slime.
We have egg frogs.
We have baby frog eggs. What's next? I'm so excited to see what sea creatures we are going to put in slime. We have a little sea turtle house, and it has a baby sea turtle on top.
Rocks.
We have some little rocks for our slime.
No one.
We have a baby alligator.
Let's put it right here.
Our alligator is going for a swim in the slime.
We have a frog with 2 legs.
We have a frog tadpole. The tadpole is turning into a frog. Yeah, this is our life cycles. The frog goes from the eggs to the tadpole with some legs, then the arms, then it turns into a big frog.
Yeah, like this, like this.
We have some more fishes.
We have this.
2 fishes, the same. We have some sea turtle eggs going into our slime.
The shell.
Jeremy has a little shell going into our slime, a little seashell. Now we have, what is this? An extinct dinosaur fish. 2 sea plants. We have a yellow.
We have
A coral reef. We have a great white shark. We have a starfish. We have 2 octopus. We have some more sea plants, ocean plants.
look.
Some more sea plants. Let's do some more.
We have a different seals.
We have a lot of different kinds of seals. Cool. Let's put them in the slime. We have some seals, some harp seals, a walrus, another seal, and we have one more seal.
We have an octopus. No octopus. No, look. Put it here. We have family.
A baby sea turtle.
He wants to go to his baby in here.
We have a sea turtle in its little house. We have an octopus going with our other sea creatures. What do we have next, Jeremy? We have a lobster. This lobster is going in the slime. Sea turtle in the slime. Along with a whale. Really beautiful whale.
We have another whale here.
We have another whale. 2 big whales. You have a handful of orange fish. Let's put them in the slime.
Put a family of fishes.
Family of fishes, yep.
Okay.
And I see another starfish next to this one. We have 2 more lobsters. I found some crabs.
This makes dolphins of Loftus.
Looks like we have 2 dolphins. We also have a stingray, a manta ray. We have a dolphin, a blue shark. We have another whale and an electric eel. I also have a bluefish.
That's it.
Okay, Jeremy, that is it for all of our sea creatures in the slime. This was so much fun. Did you have fun?
Yes.
High five. And we have so many different ones. So cool.
My friends, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.